Welcome back, Corona crew from Horsepower Heaven. We're finally back making another video. It's been a while. Today we're with my buddy Joey. Hello. And we're going to get a tune on his Mustang. What year car is this, Joey?
2018.
2018 Mustang. We're going to get an intake, a tune, and hopefully, what is it, a spoiler and a light bar?
Spoiler and a light bar.
Spoiler and a light bar. So we'll keep you guys updated. We'll see what's up when we get there. Hopefully the road opens up. Right now there's a lot of traffic. But if it opens up, I'll try to get a little bit of video of us giving the car some juice, and then we'll do it again on the way home and see what the difference is. But stay tuned and yeah, have some fun.
And if you're new to Horsepower Heaven, I'll be doing car and modification reviews, as well as following custom high horsepower builds. So make sure to hit that subscribe and notification button to stay up to speed.
It's in track mode exhaust, sport mode drive.
Let's hear it. Dickhead. Sounds awesome.
And the AC's on that.
I want to see if it changes the noise after.
I want to do no AC.
Oh, it was on? Okay, the AC was on.
Wait for it to open up later on. We'll get that
We'll
video.
try again later. We'll try again later. We're trying to get a good rip so we can hear the difference from now to after. But we're gonna wait for the road to open up a little bit, and then we'll see what we can work with. We are getting really close, and Joey has a nice stretch to go for a rip. Maybe he'll do it for the viewers.
I don't know.
Just a little,
You're going pretty bad.
little blast.
No, let's make a little one.
Make a little noise.
A little noise.
Thank you, Joey. I want everybody to like the video if you want to hear more noises like Joey's. We're gonna be there soon, and I forgot to tell you where we're going. What's it called? To Silva Racing. So we'll see how they do. We'll be there soon, and I'll take a video of the exterior of the car and underneath the hood, and then we'll see what it looks like after. All right, we're 1 minute away from getting a tune on the 2018 Mustang GT. I need to know, are you excited?
Yeah.
Can you wait to see what you think the sound's gonna change?
A little bit. Maybe a little bit louder.
I think the intake's gonna make it sound way better. We'll find out in not 1 minute, but we'll be there in a minute. I'm gonna do a walk around for you guys as soon as we get there.
Here and this right here.
I think we're here. Oh yeah. Is this home of the Mustang? We made it. Okay guys, let's look under the hood. Let's see what the difference is. Hold on a sec. He said he's getting an intake and a tune, so I guess they're gonna change up the box. I don't know if it's gonna be open air or closed air. Get these things for him. Be a good friend. So yeah, we'll see what he gets. We'll see what happens when he changes the intake. I'm expecting it to get a little bit louder, different tone to it, and yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna get him to rev it up right before we bring it in. I'm gonna take a little sound clip of it revving before, and then I'll take a little sound clip of it revving after. Let's see if I can get one. Turn all this AC shit off. Make sure it's in track mode. There's all these different modes here. Maybe I'll go over it another day if you guys get enough likes on this video and everybody wants to see it. If there's any interest, we'll do that. But for now, I'll go set up the Joby. I can set up the camera behind the car probably. I think that's a good enough tester. We'll see what it sounds like when it's done, and we'll keep you guys tuned. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, comment, dislike, whatever you want. Just do something.
This is exactly what you'd see in a car video.
Dessert.
Alright, I'll show you how we videotape it. You go bam. Bam. Bam.
So we're literally done eating, done wasting time, waiting outside the Silva for his car to get tuned and the intake to go on. I'm 99% sure they're putting the spoiler on too, but I found these guys sitting in the lot. Figured I'd take a quick shot of them. Nice and clean. Super clean. Let's hope these guys can get this tune done soon and we can get the car out and see what's going on. I can't wait to hear it. They're gonna let us go in there and take a final shot of the dyno, so hopefully I can get that on video, the car on the dyno, and actually see what numbers it puts out for you guys. Joe, are you excited? COVID. Stay tuned, we'll be back.
have it at home. I don't have it here, unfortunately. That's my son. Nice to meet you.
You excited?
Cheese, no spoiler.
Yeah, so give them an update.
No spoiler.
Why?
No light bar. They scratched the spoiler and now it's going to be repainted.
Sending it back in for paint.
Next week, Steve gets to drive the car and come and pick up all this stuff for me while I'm at work.
I'm smiling under this mask.
That 460 right now.
Is that what it says? Goodbye, Stock MT. See the intake.
Yeah.
Woo!
All the
How big it is.
Yeah, it's huge, those things. As the generations went on, they kept getting bigger because the motor's gonna make more power.
Yeah.
No, it's nice, man.
Sure, give it
Awesome,
a shot of gas. Thank you
Awesome
so
car.
much.
Oh, I appreciate you guys, man.
So what was it sitting at average?
459 is the most I made at the wheels. 430. Any other day, it'd be like 5-10 more. It's hot today.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Every pass that kept going, kept getting hotter.
Yeah. Awesome, dude. Thank you. Joey, give it a shot.
Wait, with the lug was nice.
More. There it is.
Beautiful, man.
Thank
Enjoy,
you, dude.
okay?
Thank you.
man. I appreciate
Did
it.
all my settings change now, or did they go back?
So everything's the same. The only thing I had, I took out ABS fuse for the dyno.
Yeah.
And I put all back, so everything's the same.
Yeah, I know it showed me the hill start and stuff was gone, but now like if I put it back to my mode and stuff, it's
Oh
the
yeah,
same.
everything will go back. It's just because I pulled a fuse for the dyno. Because the
Yeah,
front wheels
yeah.
aren't moving, the rear wheels
Yeah,
move.
yeah, yeah.
So even though I turn traction control off, I have to pull fuse out. These
Yeah.
cars are too smart.
Yeah.
Okay.
So everything will go back. The e-brake's on obviously right now, but all your modes are there for you. It's just something.
All right. So we just got the car back. We jumped in. Joey said he can feel a difference already just by releasing the clutch. And we're going to get on the highway and give it some jam. See what happens. We're going to put it in sport mode, track mode, normal mode, quiet mode. We're going to see what the difference is in all of them and then let you know what we think. Excited? Excited?
Yeah.
Concentrated. Put the roof up for you guys. Maybe it sounds a little better.
That's the sport mode.
Sport Plus.
Sport Plus. Then I can put it in my mode, which is the track exhaust. Downshift a little bit, you know, and pump it up a bit. Yeah, that sounds really nice.
Sounds so nice.
Big difference.
Big difference.
Now we can pump Camaros.
Bye, Camaro. Oh, that's our next video for you. I got my buddy Joe. He's got a Camaro. Hopefully we can see what happens between Joey's Mustang and his Camaro. But I'll do a video on his Camaro too. Well, that's it. That's it for today. It's enough video. That's enough adventuring. Do me a favor, hit the like button down there, subscribe, comment. Let me hear the good, the bad, the ugly, all of it. And we'll be back with another video. Say bye, Joey.
Later.
Later, everyone.